Most of us take pride in a clean home. It's a universal sign of order and care. But what if some of our cleaning habits are doing more harm than good? It's a shocking thought, isn't it? You see, we all crave that fresh, clean scent that tells us our home is spotless. Yet, lurking beneath this seemingly innocent desire is a hidden danger that might surprise you. It's a fact that might seem hard to believe, but some cleaning habits can be as harmful as smoking a pack of cigarettes. Yes, you heard that right. It's not the act of cleaning itself that's the culprit, but rather, it's the extensive and frequent use of certain cleaning products that can pose a serious health risk. So, prepare to rethink your cleaning routine as we delve into this eye-opening topic. In today's video, we will explore why cleaning your house extensively can be as harmful as smoking a pack of cigarettes. We all know that smoking is harmful to our health, but did you know that certain cleaning habits can be equally damaging? Yes, you heard it right. Several experts have shed light on how excessive cleaning can harm us in ways similar to smoking. Let's break this down, shall we? First up, the chemicals. Many cleaning products contain volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These are gases emitted from certain solids or liquids, including a variety of chemicals that may have short and long-term adverse health effects. When you're scrubbing away, these VOCs are released into the air, and guess what? You're breathing them in. Next, the overuse. Just as smoking a pack of cigarettes a day takes its toll, so does overcleaning. A study from the University of Bergen in Norway found that regular use of cleaning sprays can have the same impact on your lungs as smoking 20 cigarettes a day over a decade. That's a pretty heavy price to pay for a spotless kitchen, isn't it? And then, there's indoor air pollution. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, largely due to the chemicals found in cleaning products. The irony is, while we clean to make our homes healthier, we may be doing the exact opposite. Let's not forget about allergies. Overcleaning can also increase the risk of developing allergies. This is due to the hygiene hypothesis, which suggests that a lack of early childhood exposure to germs and certain infections may suppress the natural development of the immune system, leading to a greater risk of allergies. Finally, the skin contact. Many cleaning products can cause skin irritations or burns. That's because they contain harsh substances like bleach, ammonia, and sodium hydroxide, which are designed to kill bacteria, but can also harm our skin. So there you have it. It's clear that overcleaning and the overuse of certain cleaning products can have serious health implications. But don't worry, we're not suggesting you stop cleaning altogether. Stick around for the next part of this video, where we'll explore safer alternatives and how to clean your home without harming your health. But how can cleaning, an act we associate with health and hygiene, be as harmful as smoking, you may ask? Well, let's break it down. Imagine you're in a room full of smoke. It's difficult to breathe, isn't it? Now imagine cleaning your house extensively with harsh chemicals. These chemicals are released into the air and can be as suffocating and damaging as the smoke in that room. Now, let's think about allergies. We all know how excessive dust can provoke allergic reactions. However, overcleaning can strip your home of the natural elements that help balance our immune responses. It's like taking a balanced diet and replacing it with a single type of food. It just doesn't work that way. Here's a little-known fact about the cleaning industry. There's a surprising lack of regulation. Many cleaning products don't disclose all their ingredients on the label, and some of these undisclosed elements can be harmful. It's like biting into a sandwich without knowing what's inside. You wouldn't do that, would you? This isn't about stopping cleaning altogether. It's about understanding the potential risks and making informed decisions. Just as we've become more conscious about what we eat, it's time we become more aware of the products we use to clean our homes. It is important to be informed about what we are using in our homes and the potential risks they may hold. So, what can we do to ensure we keep our homes clean without risking our health? The key is to be informed. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and check out the description for healthy cleaning supply options we recommend. Remember, some cleaning habits can be as harmful as smoking. It's crucial to know what's in your cleaning products, and if they're more foe than friend, consider alternatives. Switch to natural, non-toxic options or even homemade solutions. By being mindful of our cleaning habits and the products we use, we can achieve a clean home that is also a healthy home.